To maximize the effectiveness of your mouthwash, follow these simple steps. First, choose the right mouthwash. Look for the mouthwash that suits your specific oral health need, such as cavity preparation, gum care, or sensitivity relief. Most importantly, use the alcohol-free mouthwash. Then measure the correct amount. Pour the recommended amount of mouthwash into the cap or measuring cup. Typically, it's about 20 to 30 milliliters. Third, swish and rinse. Take a mouthful of mouthwash and swish it around your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds, making sure it reaches all areas. Then fourth, spit it out. Spit the mouthwash into sink. Avoid swallowing it as it may contain bacteria or other contaminants. Then fifth, avoid eating or drinking immediately. Refrain from eating or drinking for at least 30 minutes after using mouthwash to allow its active ingredient to work effectively. Incorporating mouthwash into your daily routine can take your oral care to next level, promoting fresh breath, reducing plaque, and maintaining healthy gums. Don't forget to consult your dentist if you have any specific concern or question about your mouthwash. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more oral care tips. Share your thoughts or any mouthwash experiences in comment section below. Remember, a healthy smile starts with a healthy routine. See you in the next video.